A very good morning to you, my dear students. Today we are going to start lesson number 4. I hope lesson number 1 to 3 has been clear to you all. Okay. So before starting this lesson, I'm going to ask you some introductory questions. Okay. So this question you have to write. Okay. So number 1 is what is computer? Second, how many parts of computers are there? Question number 3. What are additional parts of a computer? Fourth, what is computer mouse? Fifth, what is CPU? These are questions for you. You have to solve it. Okay. Now let's proceed towards the lesson number 4, that is computer mouse. Learning in this chapter, computer mouse, using the mouse button, uses of a mouse, scroll wheel, how to hold and move a mouse. Come to the reading part. Children, all of you must have seen a mouse in and around your house. Let us know about it. A mouse is small in size. It has a tail. It runs very fast. Students, I think you all have seen mouse at your home. So, a mouse is very small in size. We have seen it has a tail. One tail is there. It runs very fast. Okay. Now let us talk about the computer mouse. A computer mouse looks like a real mouse. See here, figure is given of mouse. You can see that it is small in size. It is very small in size. Okay. It has two buttons, left and right, and a scroll wheel. Okay. In mouse there is two buttons, left and right. Okay. And one scroll wheel in the middle. Okay. It has a wire like a tail. There is wire which is connected to the CPU. Okay. Nowadays we also use a wireless mouse. According to the generation, there is wireless mouse is also there. We can use that also. A mouse is always kept on a mouse pad. We have to keep mouse on a mouse pad. Okay. So that it may work easily. Next, uses of a mouse. A mouse helps us to draw pictures, point and select any item on the monitor, play game. While using mouse, we can draw pictures, we can point and select any of the item on the computer, and we can also play game. When we move the mouse, we see a small arrow moving on the monitor. This arrow is called the mouse pointer. See children, when we move the mouse, we see small arrow, okay, on the desktop screen, okay, that moves from one place to another. That arrow is called what? Mouse pointer. Okay. Come to the next page. See children, here we will know that how to hold a mouse. Okay. Hold the mouse, move it to bring the pointer onto the computer icon. Double click the computer icon to open it. Click on the close button. The computer window will be closed. Okay. See, first we will hold the mouse, then we will bring the pointer onto the computer icon. Our computer icon will open. Then how we will close it? We will click on the close button. Okay. Then our computer window will be closed. Next, right click. Pressing and releasing the right mouse button once will show a list of options on the monitor. See, when we will press or release the right mouse button, okay, once it will show a list of options. Okay, some options will come on our desktop screen. Let us try. Move the mouse pointer to the blank area of the desktop. Now right click on it. The list of options will appear. Select the view medium icon option. Observe the change in the size of icons. See, here we will move the mouse pointer to the blank area. Okay. Then we will do right click on it. the options will appear. Then we will select the view, then medium icon option. Then we will observe the change in the shape of size of icons. Clear? Dragging and dropping. This action is used to move an item from one place to another on the monitor with the help of a mouse. Okay? See, dragging and dropping option is used to move an item from one place to another by using mouse. Clear? Next, scroll wheel. It is placed between the left and right button of the mouse. It is used to move the page up and down on the monitor. See, here it is placed between the right and left button, okay, in the middle of that. Clear? Then it is used to move page up and down, okay. Come to the next page. How to hold and move a mouse. See in the figure, look at the picture. Middle finger, right button, left button, index finger, okay. Place your index finger on the left mouse button. We will place our index finger on the left mouse button, okay. Place the middle finger on the right mouse button. We will place our middle finger on the right mouse button. Then hold the mouse with the rest of the finger and thumb. We will hold the mouse with rest remaining fingers and thumb, okay. Then we will rest our palm on the mouse. We will put our palm on the mouse. Clear? Now move the mouse on the mouse pad. We will move the mouse on the mouse pad and we will watch the movement of the pointer on the screen as you move the mouse. Wherever we will move the mouse, it will drag from one place to another, okay. Mouse button. All of us have seen a camera. What would you say to your parents if you want to take their photographs? Okay, I think you all have camera at your home. So if you want to click your parents' photograph, what you will say? Let me click your photograph. Okay. The mouse also has the same function, clicking. Okay. Press the left mouse button once is called clicking. Then we will click left mouse button once. Okay. It is called clicking. This selects an item. Wherever we will click, the item will select. Okay. See in figure it is showing press once click and double click. Clear? What is double click? Let us see here. Double click means pressing the left mouse button twice quickly. When we will press the left mouse button twice means 2 times and quickly, very fast, not in slow way. On spot we will click 2 times. Okay. This makes 2 click sounds and open an item. This will make 2 click sounds, okay, and our item will be selected. Clear? Students, some exercises has been given for you. First, you have to go through the lesson once again, then only you will able to do these exercises easily. Clear? Brain developer. A. Fill in the blank. See children, here hints are given for you. You have to choose options from there and you have to fill those options. Clear? 1. A mouse is dash in size. Second, a mouse has a dash that is fixed to the CPU. Third, pressing the mouse button once is called dash. Fourth, moving an item from one place to another by holding down the left mouse button is called dash. B. Right, true or false. You have to fill T or F in the boxes. Clear? 1. A mouse helps us to select an item on the monitor. Second, a mouse has 3 or 4 buttons. Third, right-clicking on the desktop displays a list of options on a monitor. Fourth, the small arrow that we see on a monitor is called a stick. Fifth, a mouse pointer always moves towards the right side of the screen. See, Take the right answer. Children, you have to select right option and you have to tick. Okay. Number 1. What do we call the small arrow moving on the monitor? A. Mouse pointer. B. Tail. C. Stick. Second, you have to fill, okay, in this. Whatever correct option is, you can fill here in the given blanks. Clear? Open an item. A. Single click. B. Double click. C. Scroll. D. Answer in one word. Number 1. Which finger must be placed on the left mouse button? Second, where do we fix the tail of a mouse? Third, which mouse button do we use to display the list of commands on the monitor? So, you can do these exercises in your book. Okay, clear? Come to the next page. See children, here some activities are given for you. My activity. Okay. A. Encircle the parts of a mouse and its function using the hints given below. Okay. See children, here some hints are given for you. You have to choose one options from there and you have to encircle, okay, in the given box. Clear? This is very easy and interesting exercise. B. Who am I? See children, here some figures are given for you. You have to pick one option from there and you have to write in the box. Okay, I'm explaining you. First is mobile phone, second monitor, third is keyboard, fourth is mouse and fifth is printer. Now I'm reading the questions. First, you use me to point at items shown on the monitor. Second, I show photos, games and movies on my screen. Third, I help you to type on a computer. Fourth, you can use me to take printout on a paper. Fifth, I am the brain of a computer. Come to the next page. See children, here lab activity, one exercise is given for you. Exercise number C, label the parts of a computer mouse. For doing this exercise, you have to go through the lesson once again. Okay.